Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start our unit number 2 of English Oxford Monsters. Unit number 2, lesson number 1, listen and speak. Part A is complete the dialogues using the word in the books. Here are 4 words. You will use these 4 words to complete this dialogue between a monster and a boy. So let's start. Dash, give me a book. So what you will write here? Yes, the monster is asking from the boy that please give me a book. The boy is asking, here you are. And then the monster is saying thank you. Now use these words to talk with your friends. Example, please give me a pen. Here you are, thank you. By using these words, you will make some other sentences like this. Sing this song, 10 in the bed. There are 10 in the bed. You can see in this picture, here are 10 girls in the bed. And the little one says, roll over, roll over. So they all roll over and one falls out. There are 9 in the bed. Unit number 2, lesson number 2, phonics and words. Read the words with the and y sounds. Match the pictures to the word. Here are some words. You will match these words with the picture just like that. This is water, so we will match the water with this. So here is a monster. We will match this with the monster. Just like that, we will solve all of these. So now I'm going to introduce about the sounds of ER and Y. So you can see here ER is at the end of this word. So ER will be silent here just like that. This is a flower, monster, water, sister, brother, mother and father. In the next column, here is the sound of Y. The sound of Y is Y. But here, if the Y is at the end of the word, then its sounds will be E. Just like that. Happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, daddy, mommy and daddy. You will match these pictures with these words and also these ones. Complete the words using ER or Y. Just like that. Fiza's brother is sleep. What do you think? What we will write here? You can see in this picture, he is Fiza's brother and he is sleepy. So we will write here brother ER, sleepy Y. In the next one is the monster is angry. What do you think? What we will write here? Yes, the monster is angry. Mummy is happy. You can see that she is mummy of Fiza's. So here 4 is daddy is drinking water. You can see in this picture daddy is drinking water. Label the pictures with the word in the box. Here are some words. You will label this picture and this picture by using these words just like that. These are the eyes, so we will write eyes here. This is tail, we will write tail here. This is the ear, we will write ear here. And this is the leg, so we will write leg here. Just like that, you will label this.
Okay students, now open your grammar book, page number 14. Here is a mention noun. You know what's noun? All people have names, they are called nouns. Example, baby is crying, baby is a noun. And let's understand. Find the name of the people in the sentence below, circle them. Here mentioned, you are looking the picture. The boy is playing with a ball. Boy is noun. Naming words are called noun. A person, place or a thing. That's why this is a person. Circle the boy. This is the noun. Come on, the second one picture. Father came home late today. Father is a noun. Circle the father. Next one. Mother baked some cake today. You have to circle mother. Mother is a noun. Next one. The farmer is tilling the soil. Who is the noun? Farmer. Again, who is the noun? Farmer. Circle this word. Now, look at the last one line. They are saying, who are these people? Find their name from the word given. Write in the blanks provided. Come on the page number 15. Look at the first one picture of grocer. Come on page number 14. Find which is the grocer. Where is the word? Grocer, first one nurse, second one grocer. You will take this word and you have to write here. Next one, pick of nurse. Take from the page number 14 this word nurse and you will write down the here. Next, teacher. Who is she? She is teacher. You will take from page number 14 this word and write down here. Next one, who is he? He is a doctor. Take this word from the page number 14 and you will write here. Next one question. See the box below and complete the sentences with the appropriate word from the list given below. See again this question. See the box below and complete the sentences with appropriate words from the list given below. They have mentioned some words here. First one, a person who bakes bread and cake is called a baker. Where is? Take the word from the list. This one. You will write here. Baker. Second one, a person who stitches clothes is called a tailor. This one first word take from the list and write down in the second point. Now come on third one, a person who mends shoes is called a who is? Cobbler. You take this word from the list and write here. Now come on the fourth one point, a person who paints is called a painter. Take this word from the list and write down. Okay students, come on the next one exercise and look at this picture. This is Jillian's family. She's sitting here. You all family members some are sitting, some are standing, and you know who they are. Now we are looking at the point one. Mary is Jillian's dash. Find where is Mary. She's Mary. You are looking this picture. She's Mary and she's Jillian's mother. That's why we will write here Mary is Jillian's mother. Write here M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Come on the second one point. Dash is Jillian's father. You find in the picture where is her father. This is her father and his name is Robert. That's why you will write here Robert is Jillian's father. Done? Okay, come on point number 3. Amy. Amy is Jillian's dash. Come on the picture. Find where is Amy. She's standing here. Sitting. She's sitting here and she is her grandmother. Who is she? She's her grandmother. That's why you will write here in point 3, Amy is Jillian's grandmother. Point 4, Harry is Jillian's dash. Now find where is Harry. This is Harry. Who is he? He's Jillian's grandfather. That's why you will write in fourth point, Harry is Jillian's grandfather. Now next one, Elizabeth. Who is Elizabeth? Come on the picture and look, find where is Elizabeth. She's sitting near Jillian's You are looking, she's Elizabeth. Come on the point. Elizabeth is Jillian's sister. You will write here sister, sister. Now this one topic of nouns, this page is completed. You have to learn it properly. Understand all? Thanks.